In the past year or so, most of our lifestyles have changed significantly, and we've learned many lessons, which have probably transformed the way we look at things. One of the greatest sea changes that is even now still rolling out is how we, as individuals, achieve economic stability. The Great Resignation has shown us that people are ready to take complete control of their livelihoods, fulfill their lifelong dreams, and be their own boss. If you are one of these people, here are some backyard business ideas that you can start with products found on Amazon. For an outdoor storage business, you can get a few storage containers or even outdoor sheds and set up your own storage company. Package receiver service. People are looking for some safe ways to receive packages, and you could be one of them. You can set up package delivery or storage boxes, or even look into the possibility of having an Amazon hub added to your land. What about a backyard bar? Set up a juice, snack, or coffee bar, throw in some Wi-Fi, and people can come and relax or get some work done. You can rent out office space. These outdoor office hubs can allow people a setting to get their own businesses off the ground. How about an outdoor spa? Grab a few portable saunas, some mood music, and refreshments, and set up a quick pamper experience. Rent a garden. Set up some greenhouses or rent out some space in your garden for people to test out their gardening skills. The backyard party experience. You can allow people to use your backyard to host get-togethers, barbecues, or picnics. An outdoor exercise club is great if you have exercise equipment you're not using, or maybe access to a projector where you can stream some exercise classes for people to get back into their fitness groove. What about a backyard movie theater? With a projector and some blankets, or maybe even inflatable seats or cushions and some refreshments, you can set up a complete movie night experience. Tiny home living. You can set up a tiny home and sign up for Airbnb or rent it out for months at a time to those who just need a temporary stay or want to see if tiny living is for them. These are just a few ideas to ignite your creativity. Remember, there are so many possibilities for achieving your financial freedom. Thanks for watching and have fun today.